Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Unito's Trello PowerUp Export and Sync. Once you've installed the PowerUp, click on it from the board you want to export. Then click Get Started. Now it's time to connect your tools. Unito will select your current board as the source and send over every default field. If you haven't used Unito in Google Sheets before, we'll ask you to authorize access. Confirm, and then we'll create a new spreadsheet as the export destination within your drive. Continue through the steps, and you'll be asked to install our Google add-on, which is required for the PowerUp to work. Click this link to access the add-on and install. Once that's done, head back to the PowerUp and then go to your sheet. Once you're in your sheet, you can already see that the names of your fields in Trello, like card titles and lists, have been moved over as names for your columns. The last step is to complete your export by activating the Google add-on you just installed. Head to your extensions, click Get Started with Unito, and then complete your export. Unito will add 2 columns on either side of your data, which are required for Unito to sync between Trello and Google Sheets. They're updated automatically by Unito and need to stay in your sheet. You can choose to hide them though, and there won't be any impact. In a few moments, we'll start to see your data move over from Trello. Thanks to Unito's live updates, whenever a card is added to your Trello board or its details are changed, like a new date, this will reflect in Google Sheets, so your teammates and collaborators will always have an accurate view of progress in your spreadsheet. This way you won't get requests for updates or have to worry about making manual changes to your spreadsheet. It continues to update automatically.